Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Gedit on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the Developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Gedit. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update the repositories of our Linux container. Press Enter. Now we will install Gedit. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Gedit is now installed. Let's launch it. Enjoy!